truth nobody is explaining. If you are waiting for the home care worker or child care worker PR pathways to reopen, this video might hurt, but it will also save you years of waiting. Many people are still holding hope that these programs will reopen next year or soon. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but based on what Canada is doing right now, the truth is this: these programs are very unlikely to reopen anytime before 2030. So, why? Let me explain why. What has changed permanently and what you should do instead before time passes you by. Don't take anything for granted. These caregiver programs were popular for one reason. They gave people without degree or high CRS scores a chance at PR. People came as home support workers, which was amazing. Childcare providers, as nannies. They worked hard, they cared for families, and they earned permanent residence. So when Canada paused and then closed these programs, people assumed it's temporary. But policy signals tell a different story. Canada's immigration strategy has changed. The government is now prioritizing healthcare professionals, trade people, construction, transport, French speakers, high demand tax generating roles. What's missing from that list? Low wage, privacy employed caregiving rules. And why? Because caregivers are mostly employed by private households. Monitoring abuse was difficult. Fraud cases increased. Employers changed frequently. Oversight was weak. Canada quietly decided this model was too risky. Instead of PR pathways, Canada shifted to temporary solution. Employer-specific work permits, provincial health hiring, institutional care rules, regulated healthcare aids. In simple terms, Canada still needs care, but not through direct to PR caregiver programs. They want caregivers inside structured system, not private homes. This is when many people make a painful mistake. They wait, they delay, they stop upgrading skills. 5 years pass, age increases, options shrink. I've seen people wait since 2019 waiting until 2025. Canada does not reward waiting. Canada rewards adaptation. So you better start adopting. Let's be honest, between now and 2030, Canada is focused on reducing temporary residence, fixing housing pressure, tightening low-wage immigration, preventing exploitation, rebuilding public trust, reopening caregiver PR program is not politically attracted right now. If anything returns, it will be smaller, heavily restricted, healthcare based, institution only, province control, not the old caregiver model people are waiting for. If caregiving is your background, don't panic. Better options, healthcare aid, PSW programs linked to provinces, nursing pathways, upgrades, trade pathways, rural and provincial programs, institutional care roles. Care experience is valuable, but it must be repositioned. Let me say this gently. If you're waiting for the home care worker or child care worker PR pathway to reopen exactly as it was, you may be waiting until 2030 or forever. But if you adapt, upgrade, and move strategically, you will have options. Comment below. Are you a caregiver, a nanny, a home support worker, or child care worker? I will tell you honestly what pathway still makes sense for you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Share it to those who need it because it's very important as we move to 2026.